Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again returning to our tropical weather analysis, and this is for today, Wednesday through Friday, July 22 to 24, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. And to begin with our update, this is the latest graph set for today, Wednesday through Thursday. We have a surface trough, another surface trough watching the Philippine Islands, but it will be solely over the areas of Mindanao within the next 24 hours. And the formerly strong or deep surface trough is now over the West Philippine Sea, departing Palawan, but some showers and thunderstorms may still be expected over these areas. Elsewhere, great weather across the Philippine Islands except for some afternoon or evening isolated rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected for the next 24 hours. And we also have two other surface troughs here, but nothing to worry about. We have an upper level trough here, a high pressure over Okinawa, and a developing frontal system or subtropical low pressure area moving towards the northwestern Pacific. And we have here the usual major front or stationary front anchored across the eastern portions of China all the way towards Korea and Japan. So far, there's no developing tropical disturbances or the tropical cyclone that is expected to occur and for the next 5 to 10 days. And that's it. That's the latest for GovSat. And as we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see here the new trough moving, accelerating towards the areas of Mindanao, but it's not yet an LPA. And the former trough here is now over the vicinity of the Calayan Island group. And so far, that's the latest from the Western Pacific. It's all clear as of this time. And as we look at our zoom in satellite animation, as of this time, you can clearly see here some isolated thunderstorms across Luzon and most parts of Mindanao at this point in time. So it's already nighttime, but still lots of thunderstorms across Mindanao as the surface trough begin to affect this area. And as we look at our rain and wind forecast from ECMWF, courtesy of windy.com, tomorrow Thursday afternoon, you still see possible isolated showers and thunderstorms all throughout the archipelago, especially Mindanao. And on Friday, same weather situation, so expect afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. And before we leave you, here's the ECMWF model when it comes to rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, courtesy of windy.com. You can clearly see here the bulk of the rainfall affecting most parts of Mindanao, portions of the Visayas, and also a larger area of western Luzon, particularly Ilocos region and Zambales, and also across the western sections of Mindoro. Bicol region, not so bad. Just the short duration of afternoon isolated rain showers or thunderstorms for the next 3 days. So that's it. That's the latest for this Wednesday evening, July 22, and we will be returning again on Friday to give you more weather TV update. From Typhoon2000.com, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you for watching our YouTube channel.